Hey y'all, it's your girl Kia Love. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. So today we're going to be making a homemade vegan mayo. Yes, it's soy free, has a few ingredients, it's very simple to make. You can make it in like 5 minutes, 10 minutes or less. What I don't like about the store-bought vegan mayos is that they have so many different types of oils in there. Sometimes they have ingredients that I don't agree with, such as soy and other things. And then a lot of the recipes online use soy milk or something else like that. This one is nut-free, it's soy-free. It's an awesome recipe, y'all. If you want to check it out, stay tuned. But before I get to the recipe, in case you're wondering what hair I'm rocking, it's Combining Virgin hair. Today I have in the Brazilian Silky Straight bundles. 20 inches. I love this hair, y'all. If you've been to my channel before, you know that I've been in the hair game for about 15 years, and I've been rocking weave for about 15 years, and I know good hair, y'all. And this hair is bomb. It's beautiful. I've been rocking these bundles for about a year now, and washed it multiple times, and you see how fresh and beautiful it still is, y'all. I just love it. I just love it. But anyways, let's get to this recipe, y'all. It's gonna be quick and easy. You will never buy store-bought mayo again after this recipe, y'all. So let's get it. Okay, y'all, so today we are gonna make a vegan mayo. It is soy-free, it is nut-free, and the secret ingredient is going to be aquafaba, which is the liquid in the can of chickpeas. So it's quick and easy. First, I wanna start off to say 2 important things with this recipe. Your aquafaba, this is the 1/4 cup aquafaba. It has to be room temperature, guys, or this will not work. Has to be room temperature. I repeat, has to be room temperature. And then also another critical component is having this immersion blender. This is the only reason why I bought an immersion blender was to make a vegan mayo, and you have to have it. I have a Vitamix and it did not work in the Vitamix. And as far as I see, if it don't work in the Vitamix, it won't work in any other blender. So I don't know, you can give it a shot. If it works for you, awesome. But for this particular recipe, immersion blender is the best. All right, y'all, so let's get started. You're gonna need a tall glass to create your mayo in. You're gonna need a 1/4 cup of aquafaba, room temperature. You're going to need 1½ teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. You're going to need 3/4 cup of avocado oil. You do not want to use olive oil because you want to make sure it has a neutral taste. And then for your seasonings here, you're going to use an 1/8 teaspoon of onion powder, an 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1/16 teaspoon of pink salt, 1/16 teaspoon of black salt, which ironically is not black, and a tiny sprinkle of sugar. So you might see some little tiny sprinkles of sugar in there. Okay, so the black salt is also a secret ingredient because it's going to give you that eggy taste. So let's get started. So to start this off, we're going to pour in our seasonings, our aquafaba, and our apple cider vinegar, and we're going to blend it on high, go up and down until it's well blended, and then we're going to slowly stream in the oil over the course of 2 minutes. And you'll probably see me turn on my timer once it gets to that point. So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to pour in the aquafaba, apple cider vinegar, and the seasonings. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and blend on high. All right, now I'm going to slowly stream in the oil over 2 minutes. So let's do this. It starts to get thicker the more oil you put in there. y'all is like struggling now. All right, y'all. Look at this. I don't think it's been 2 minutes yet, but. All right, so I'm just going to, there we go. 2 minutes has passed. All right, y'all. So now I'm just gonna do a taste test. See if there's anything I need to add. No, it's good. It's good, y'all. So here goes the mayo. And just to let you know, if you let it sit in the refrigerator for a few hours, it becomes thicker, and it also becomes, the flavor tastes more like mayo when you let it sit. So sit it in the refrigerator. I would recommend sitting it in the refrigerator for at least a couple hours. See how thick that is? It's good, y'all. Homemade mayo, quick and simple. And let it sit for at least 2 hours. But when it sits in the refrigerator, it tastes better. So go ahead and pop your jar of mayo in the refrigerator, and there you have it.